Here's what your voice would sound like on every planet. Let's do Mercury first. Mercury basically has no atmosphere, just a thin exosphere. So if you screamed with your helmet off, nothing would travel. No air equals no sound. The only sound you'd hear there is if you pressed your ear to the ground during a mercury quake and felt a deep rumble through the rock. Okay, now Venus. Venus is the opposite nightmare. It has a crushing, super thick carbon dioxide atmosphere with a surface pressure about 90 times Earth's. So your voice wouldn't be quiet.
It would be a deep, booming, and distorted noise, like
Talking through a scuba tank, but worse. Even the planet itself would feel loud and heavy because dense air carries sound differently. Mars is the awkward middle. It has an atmosphere, but it's super thin and mostly carbon dioxide. So your scream comes out muffled and weak, dies off fast. Plus, it's cold, so sound moves slowly, meaning your voice would feel
deeper and duller than on Earth.
Alright, what about the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn? Well, up in the cloud tops, the air is mostly hydrogen and helium, and that means your voice would
Shoot up in pitch. You'd sound like a squeaky chipmunk, but loud.
because sound can travel fast in the light gas of those planets. A problem is, these planets are basically storm engines, so you're competing with constant roaring winds and thunder. So good luck with that. Uranus and Neptune would also be high-pitched, but colder and weirder. On Neptune, the winds can scream at over 1,800 kilometers per hour, so
Your tiny squeaky voice.
it gets completely swallowed by the planet's howling atmosphere. So here are the rules. No air equals no voice. Thin air equals whispers. Thick air equals
Bass monster.
and helium worlds equal.
Chipmunk mode.
So you might want to think twice before you decide to scream because